Hello kids, lesson learn to 2D shapes. Kids, a beautiful color and 2D shapes. Kids, colors name. First, light green, light pink color, blue color, red color, sky blue color, orange color, pink color, light green color, yellow color and green color. Kids, shapes drawing. Green color circle, cube, kids cube, kids cube, up arrow, kids up arrow, 7-point star, point star, sun, sun, heart, color fill kids. Circle, circle, light pink color, yellow color, cube, up arrow, up arrow, purple color, red color, 7-point star, 7-point star, light green color, sun, blue color, heart, circle, cube, up arrow, 7-point star, sun, heart. Kids, this video like and my channel subscribe. Thanks for watching.